Pan made of aluminum with carbon steel rack. Heat safe up to 400 degrees. Pan made in the USA, rack made in China. Hand wash with warm, soapy water. Extended soaking is not recommended. 20 by 15.97 by 2.19 dimensions. Air crisp in your oven. Roast meats, bacon, fries, tots, homemade jerky, dried fruit and more with our extra large oven crisp baking tray, a larger version of our popular oven bacon pan. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect size for a 36 oven. This is the perfect size to fully utilize the space inside a standard 36 built-in oven. I was looking for a way to mimic the results I get in my Instant Pot for air frying but in the larger space of the oven. Fries came out nice and crispy, but still working on getting wings that are on par with what the Instant Pot can do. Due to the larger size, the wire basket is a bit more fragile than what you would get with a smaller version. Mine came a little bent right out of the box, but nothing a little muscle wasn't able to fix. The pan is a little thin, so I am a bit worried about durability and warping over time as it goes through heat cycles, but so far it's been great. Easier to clean than the Instant Pot air fryer basket. Given the size, storage and washing can be a bit challenging if you don't have other 36 cabinets, or even a 36 sink might have trouble sitting completely inside of the sink. I usually let the pan cool while sitting on top of the range. Something I didn't give much thought to in my search for get the thing that will let me air fry as much stuff as possible in my oven.